Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve being slow on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp, and you click here in this page of app info. You click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.